Today we are going to be going to Kai Kung Leng。
係啊。
如果揾唔到咧，我哋就要翻轉頭，因為我哋要趕住3點半嗰班船嘅。After 5 years of playing my drone, I have never lost my drone. So now I lost it. Good morning, everyone. It is now 8:15 and I arrived at University Station. And our meeting time was supposed to be at 8:40. But I'm 25 minutes early, but I'm just gonna wait by the MTR. 我唔係要沿住 B 出口嗰個指示牌行過去揾你哋啊！ We are gonna go to 馬料水 Ferry Pier 咩120度啊？
度埋個指南針咯。
There are signs along the way, and you can take the lift or go down these stairs. So from the NS sign, we are going to turn right. 一號係去荔枝窩，我哋而家要去吉澳 Go。
佢呢啲小碼頭嚟嘅。
係咩？
係啊，小碼頭。
But my friend said right hand side is closer, and we're not gonna follow the sign. We are going to number 3 Pier. $45. So we will arrive at Ko at 11:30. Ooh, you can actually go out to see the views if you want. But we're good, cause it's not our first time here. We are now 25 minutes into the boat ride. It's now 10 a.m. Everyone has come out to see Lai Chi Wo. This is the Ghost Hand Trail, and I've been there already.
見都見唔到隻手喎。
但係覺得一定要行山過去先見到嗰個角度，就係呢一隻手啦。
嚇，原來係咁細嚿嘅。
原來頭先嗰位船長專登駛過去，俾我哋睇下個鬼手眼，而家就加速啊！My boyfriend wanted to come out and stand here for the rest of the boat ride. So now we are going to capture this nice view. This is called the Hongshek Moon. Wow! 你睇下對面嗰嚿石頭。
哇！呢個咩石嚟㗎？咁特別嘅。
好似一座山咁樣個石。Ooh, my boyfriend just said this little bay is called Tongwan. I remember there's a Tongwan Hill in Cycling as well.
呢個係咩嚟㗎？
係咯，嗰度有啲好大嘅石頭啊！我應該4年冇入過嚟亞洲啦。印洲塘海岸公園。一定係唔同山。呢個係咩島啊 ，Tommy？
好似係印洲塘。
印洲塘即係行山可以去到啊？
行山係去到嘅。呢啲呢，佢好似係郊遊景。
北架洲頂啊？
係北架洲頂。係啊。
不如叫佢做烏龜頂啊！你唔覺得佢個嘴好似長住個嘴咩？
你覺得佢似咩？
好似中間嗰個 V 型。頭先呢座山係叫做黃鳳山咯，但係咧已經唔喺我個維基百科嗰個 list 上面。
OK。呢個墳洲頂。
墳洲頂幾靚喎！全部都係鳥，係咪白鴿？
你喺海中間有咁多白鴿。
千祈唔好喺第一個站落咗，呢個係荔枝窩站。 喎。啱啱見到荔枝窩都原來可以行到去新娘潭啦，所以完全唔使趕時間。但係呢啲完全唔係我個 list 上面咯。My boyfriend said these islands are like an oval shape. Oh, this is the crooked island. And once we leave the pier, we're gonna turn left, pass by the toilet and this tree, and then turn right. And we are going to pass by that Yongke sign. And then we're gonna turn left here. And there's a sign that says going up the hill. And we are going to go up these stairs and along this green railway. Until you see the Shan Hai Ting Pavilion.
咁我陣間我都會催你。
好啊，記得喺呢個山海亭嗰度戴返對手套。And from the Shan Hai Ting Pavilion, we're gonna pass by the Ko Pang Teng sign and turn left from that sign. Then we're gonna go into this road where there was a ribbon. And then we are gonna walk along this clear trail for now. You will pass by this fence and there's actually a white ribbon on the right-hand side of the tree. So we kept following along this road and turned right here. And then there was a red ribbon there as well. So we knew we were going the right way with these ribbons along the way. We need to crawl over that root and then we are going to keep going along these green and orange ribbon. It was getting a little bush-bashy, so we were looking at the maps to make sure we were going the correct way, and we just kept following along those big fat orange ribbons. But then we were actually wrong to crawl underneath this tree. 好啦，咁我哋出返去先，我哋要揾返我哋開始行錯路嗰一個位啊。
應該係阿 Sky 嗰邊。
咦，右手邊都有條路喎。Just now when we came up, we should have turned left over here. 嗱，我哋試下捐入去啊，試下捐唔。
你行下路得嘅，不過要扮翻轉頭咯，同埋都唔係呢度。
Okay, so we went back down and found that ribbon, and we tried to crawl underneath those trees, but it is too narrow, so we had to go back out again. 好啦，咁我哋行咗下邊嗰條係咪？咁係咪要翻好遠，翻轉頭好遠路啊？
出翻個較位咯。
好啊。And then we just kept discussing which way looks right. And we eventually found the white ribbon, and then we turned left from there and we found the correct way to go up to Kai Kung Leng, because now the orange ribbons are back again, and we can see that we are actually going on top to a hill. It was definitely worth bush bashing up here, cause look at this beautiful sea view. Anyway, we're gonna keep going to Kai Kung Leng. You treat me like I am your own daughter, even though it's the only first thing we've met. What would I do if I knew? When you see the crooked island at watch your back, you'll know that you're going up the correct hill. This road may look difficult to walk, but it's not difficult at all if you wear the correct shoes. And we've got a little bit more of a flat road left. Keep following that orange ribbon. There's a little crossway here and we actually had to turn right. And then you arrive at the train. Yeah! 上到雞公山啦！有人喺度露營㗎。Crooked Island is located west of the Da Pang Bay and close to the border of Sha Tao Kok. It is the northernmost island of Hong Kong, and to its southeast are Crescent Island and Wong Wan Island, as is located in Da Pang Bay, where the waves are fierce and the wind is high. The bay can serve as a natural shelter for fishing boats, hence the name Crooked Island. It actually has a meaning of auspiciousness. In addition, the island is curved in shape, so its English name is called the Crooked Island because of this curve. And the highest point on the island is this Zai Kung Leng, which we hiked to.
係啊。Okay, the map said the elephant trunk is a 9-minute walk, so we will try because it's only 12:05.
And from the train, we are going to turn backwards and start going down towards the sea. We're gonna keep going forward, and the grass behind us was actually really pretty, and I took a photo over there, and we were going down along these roads. 我哋而家喺呢個位咧，但係我哋偏離咗少少嘅。我哋試下睇下揾唔揾到路落去 Elephant Trunk 先。如果揾唔到咧，我哋就要翻轉頭啦，因為我哋要趕住3點半嗰班船嘅，唔可以 miss 咗嗰班船。Okay, so first of all, we had to go back up the roads. 好，我哋揾翻條絲帶路啦。咁咧 ，Sky 你可以落住佢先嘅。咁咧，我哋地圖就話4分鐘落到去嘅，睇下係咪真係4分鐘先。And then we needed to discuss whether we should go down here or not. We decided we should because we saw some white ribbons there. And then there was another crossway there, but we realized we had to turn to our right. So we found another road on the right-hand side, and we are going to keep going downwards. Okay, as it is now 12:45 p.m. and when my boyfriend got to that spot, he kind of stopped because he said he can see the road is very straight and he's worried that if we keep going down, then we might have accidents. So I flew my drone to see what the road situation was like, and we can see it's like diagonal, and then at the end it's like steep down. And as we are not very capable and we don't want to have any accidents, so we decide to not go down to the elephant trunk. But if any of you do go down, then let me know. And we are now gonna go back the same way we came from, and I'm not gonna film it because first we are in a rush. We want to walk as quick as we can. It's 12:45,
And secondly, it's literally the same road, so there's nothing to film.
So from the pavilion, keep following along this concrete road and go up these stairs. Then keep going along this concrete road, and once you go up these stairs, you will arrive. And when I walked up that stairs, we actually realized we could go to Sai O as well, but because there was another hill I wanted to go to that day, so I told my mates, look, I'm gonna fly my drone over to Sai O and you can just see Sai O from my drone clip. Little did I know that I was gonna lose my drone there, but don't worry because I found it back, and you'll see in the next vlog how I found it back. 好，咁呢一部分就要用廣東話講啦。咁呢，吉澳圓嶼呢係一個漁港嚟嘅，咁佢嘅盛產呢就係響螺。咁島上呢係原有10條村落嘅，咁分別嘅名呢就係上圍橫頭村、西澳頂、西澳、中心澳、米坊下、新圍仔、東澳、赤角頭、澳背塘同埋高灘。OMG, after 5 years of playing my drone, I have never lost my drone. Now I lost it, but I screen capped where the drone got locked off, so now we're gonna go and find it. Guys, we have some bad news. We are back on a boat, but the bad news is I can't find my drone. But I have an SD card inside that has lots of memories, so I might come back again next week because I screenshotted where my drone last fell down, and I kind of know where it is. It's absolutely not down by the sea, but I'm hoping that I can find it. For now, I'm very sad, but I'm still gonna end the vlog here. So if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you all with another hiking vlog.